Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 1. Hope you all will be fine. Welcome to your computer class. Dear student, today we are going to do practical. Okay, so let's start. Open Notepad program in your computers and start our today practical. Click on start button. Menu will appear. Search the notepad and click on the notepad. Okay, notepad program will be appear on your computer screen. So let's start, and today we are going to practice letter keys. Okay, typing. Today we write here parts of computer. Okay, first we write question, how many parts of computer? Question mark. Answer. Computer has 4 parts. Press the enter key to come to the next line. Number 1, shift key and sampling key. Number 1, keyboard. Spelling of keyboard. Enter key to come to the next line. Number key 2 and shift key and semicolon key. Keyboard, monitor. Monitor, press the enter key to come to the next line. Press the number key 3, shift key and sampling key. Monitor, keyboard, monitor, mouse. Press the enter key to come to the next line. Press the number key 4, shift key and mouse and CPU. Dear student, how many parts of computer? Computer has 4 parts. Number 1, keyboard, monitor, mouse and CPU. Okay students, our class is ended here now. Now it's time to your homework, and today your homework is practice of typing how many parts of computer and their answer. Okay, during the practice record your video and send me on WhatsApp group. Okay student, take care. Allah Hafiz.